Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us right now. You'll find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. Here you can see that 17%, 17% retail traders have taken short position and 82% retail traders have taken long position. So 82% retail traders took the sell position and they are still on the trade and still hoping that market would be going up. And on the other hand, 17% are on the sell side. And the average buy prices you can see that 1.1594. So it is around 1.1600. This is the average buy price of Euro USD. And sadly, Euro USD is right now standing at 52 weeks low. This is the condition of Euro USD right now. And this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because they fail to follow the trend of the market. You can easily see on the chart that Euro USD is extremely bearish right now. Heavy selling is going on, and if you have a buy position in this market, then my dear friend, you are in big trouble. So wait for the next week. If you see some correction in the market, then hold your position. Okay, but on the other hand, if Euro USD goes down further, then please exit from the trade, because this is your hard-earned money. It is your responsibility to protect it. So please listen to me. So let's try to understand now what is going on in the chart of Euro USD. What should be a strategy call? Okay. So first of all, let's understand the DXY chart. As we all know, DXY or US dollar is extremely bullish after the CPI report last week, and you can see that DXY is standing at 95.12. It crossed the 95 level. It was the minor resistance here. Okay, and if you look at the chart here, it seems that after this bullishness in the market, next week we may see some correction or consolidation, because as we all know, market also behave like us. If we run for a while, then we tend to take rest. We need to breathe a little. So after this uptrend in the market, there is a possibility of US dollar going for consolidation. As we all know, there is a correlation between US dollar and Euro USD. When USD goes up, DXY goes up, we see Euro USD going down, or when we see US dollar going down, we see Euro USD going up. So if DXY goes for correction or consolidation, there is a good possibility of Euro USD trying to recover. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY. And this is our chart of beloved Euro USD. And as I said, Euro USD is standing at 52 weeks low. You can easily see on the chart that market is under the dominance of sellers right now. So that is a very bad thing. Okay. And as we all know, and as I have been saying for the last couple of months, that my dear friends, always follow the trend of the market. Trend is your friend. Therefore, what is the trend here? Trend is obviously it is in downtrend market. And downtrend market means we should mainly look for selling opportunities, because the thumbnail of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is in downtrend, always look for selling opportunities, and if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And this kind of market are also called as sell on rise market. Why they call us sell on rise market? Because selling pressure is so high. When market goes up, it faces the selling pressure again, and once it faces the selling pressure again, you can take a sell position. Okay. But right now you can see that I have drawn two lines here. Okay. So these two lines, after drawing these two lines, it seems like that market is trading in a downward channel here. Listen to me carefully, things are about to get complicated. Okay, try to understand my points here. So it seems like the market is trading in a downward channel here, but if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, we cannot deny the fact that sellers are extremely in a dominant position right now. So we have two trading opportunities here. I see only two trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD. First of all, we can see I have drawn Fibonacci retracement levels. So first of all, if US dollar goes for correction or consolidation, Euro USD may try to recover. If Euro USD tries to go up, okay, just observe Euro USD at 1500 level. Observe Euro USD at 1500 level. If Euro USD reverses from the 1500 level, 1.1500 level, you can take a sell position if it reverses from this level. But on the other hand, if it crosses the level and goes up, this level will be your next selling position. Observe the market at 1.1520, this level. So if it fails to reverse from here, it should be reversing from this particular level if Euro USD tries to recover. But on the other hand, considering the present selling pressure in the market, if Euro USD fails to go up and if fresh selling starts in the market, yes, I'm talking about fresh selling in the market, it means that Euro USD will be going down further. Yes, there is a possibility also. If dollar continues its bullishness, Euro USD will be going down further. If Euro USD starts going down further, you can take a sell position considering this as a breakout. You can take a sell position below 1.1440, or you can take a sell position below. If you're looking for a fresh entry, then 1.1430. Below this level also you can take a sell position. But be very careful because market has already witnessed heavy selling. So whatever you do, my dear friend, please use proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Okay. And if we switch over to the 15 minutes chart, we can see that in the 15 minutes chart we hardly have anything. Okay, but there is a small window here also. In case market tries to go up, there is a possibility of Euro USD reversing from this 1.1460 level as well. But as you can see that I'm in a 15 minutes chart right now, so therefore the reliability is not very high. So until and unless you get the proper confirmation in the form of a shooting star here, okay, then only reverse at 1.1460 level. So whatever you do, be careful. Okay. So this is it, and my dear friends, this is my pro trader program where I share the best trading opportunities, plus I provide 1 or 2 signals every day. If you want to be a part of the pro trader program, just go to my website. Under the pro trader section you'll find all the information. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care. You can find out.